Hello everyone, welcome to the Pinspiration collaboration hosted by Kreationsby Kimber. Hi Kim. And we have quite a few people who are participating, so check out their links below. Every month we pick something off of Pinterest that we've had saved, and I'm probably going to be concentrating on fun fold cards with this collaboration because that's mostly what I have saved on Pinterest other than landscapes and cute kitties and stuff. So I did a fun fold. This one, there's a bunch of them out there I've discovered afterwards, but the first one I saw was done by I'm gonna get her name wrong, but it's a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. It's Texas Sharon Armstrong, I think. I will have it linked down below, the pin, and then it'll take you to her blog, which will take you to a YouTube video. Anyway, and I used the painted poppies and the peaceful moments. I used both this saying and this one. Sorry about the glare. It's a really dreary rainy day here, so I have to have this light. And I did use the painted labels dies, which I have one of these left of. And I think, and the poppies, the paper, Peaceful Poppies Designer Series paper, and you'll see that when I show you the card. So here it is. I only got one made, and I'll talk about that in a minute. So this is the paper. This is Poppy Parade cardstock, basic black cardstock, and the paper. This is Poppy Parade, Whisper White, and then this is the Peaceful Moments stamp set here. And these are from the Noble Peacock Rhinestone Jewels. And then when you open this card, it is a W fold. See? Looks, I guess you'd have to do it like there. It looks like a W. Pretty easy to make. And if you want to have a tutorial from me on how to make it, come join me Tuesday night at 7 p.m. Eastern, because I will make another one of these, but with a different set of stamps. So I just stamped this and this and this and this. This is from these are from the painted poppies, and this is from the peaceful moments. And these are all Whisper White on basic black, and the mechanism is basic black. Now some people put white back here so that and if you put them up higher, you can write on them, and some people make these bigger, which I may try for the next one. So, or even alternate, like some up and some down, and I might be doing that with, I'm either going to make them longer, or I'm going to alternate, or maybe only have one longer. I don't know yet. I'll see. So come back on Tuesday and see. But this is the pretty card I have made. It's a birthday card, and I only had time to do one, like I said, but we're going to do another one. Probably the first card I'll do on Tuesday night, this coming Tuesday night, which is, I think, March 31st? Yes, March 31st. So I hope you'll join me, and if you like this, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing. If you're interested in any of the products I used, you can find them through March. And my links below all the other participants. I have some links to Stampin' Up! And this is the host code for any order under $150 through March 31st only. Now, some of the things may be on back order or not currently orderable, and I don't have the complete list right now, and that has to do with the supply chain because of this coronavirus. But I believe last I heard most of them were expected in around mid-April, but it's hard to know right now. So anyway, just try, and but there's a lot of other products still available if these aren't, that you can do a pretty card with as well, and we'll do one of them, like I said, on Tuesday. All right guys, that's all I have. Thanks for watching. Hugs, love, and peace. Be safe.